Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can block someone on Poshmark. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all, you need to tap open your Poshmark app. So once you have opened it, you need to now get logged in into your account. So after you have done this, you need to simply scroll down through the home screen and find someone you want to block. So simply tap on their profile, and on their profile you can find three dots icon on the top right hand side of the corner, which will allow you to block that particular user by tapping on block user. So you need to simply tap on yes to block that particular user, and once you have blocked them, you can simply go back to the three dots and simply tap on the option unblock user to simply unblock them. So this is how you can block someone on Poshmark. You can even go and search for anyone's profile name and simply tap their icon and their profile to do the same thing to block on Poshmark. So by following these simple and easy steps, you can get rid of any profiles that you don't want to see on your Poshmark site. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.